Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin, of course. Going to do a full update. I mean, in terms of market structure, yesterday when we did the video, the price was down here, basically at the same price, all right? So also not much has changed in regards to my opinion on the markets right now. What I told you yesterday is that right now on the short term, I think we're consolidating, all right? So you can see that the EMAs are relatively flat right here in this area between 70,500 and ultimately this green area, which we'll talk about a little bit later as well, between 66,500 and 65,500. All right, so that's the main level, which I think is the most important support. And I would like to see some sort of a touch out of that, all right? Because right now, the thing is that short term we're consolidating, but what we want to know is whether long term we can actually continue this bullish momentum we've seen in the last month, or whether after hitting this resistance level, which we have already hit at 71,600, that's the top, and that we'll actually see some bearish momentum again down to the bottom of this range at 61,000. So that's kind of the main question right now. Well, what is it that we're going to see? And if we hit that level here at the bottom of the consolidation at 66,000, technically that's such a strong level that if we were to see more bullish momentum, so then I'm talking about a break above 71,500 and a continuation, for example, up to 75,000 and just in general getting new all-time highs, we would get a very strong reaction from that level. So that's kind of what we have to see over the course of this week. Today, I mean, the volume is decent. Wednesday is usually a bit of a bad day to trade, and can be a little bit of a counter trend day. So overall, right now on the 4-hour time frame, sure, we're consolidating, but we're in more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So today can be a bit of a bearish day. Could also be good because then we can actually see the reaction to this support level. But overall, I don't really see any reason why today we would have any major moves. If you look at the open interest right here, let me quickly up my volume. If you look at the open interest, it's basically been going up and down since the start of this week. It's still very high and the volume is also good. So overall, my thoughts on the markets are bullish, all right? But we need to see some sort of a trend in the open interest. If it starts to trend up, then that means that we're gaining momentum, new positions are being opened. And that in combination with the daily time frame trend, I think would be bullish. But right now, like I said, there's no indication that we are going to get that big movement. Now, no big news either today. Tomorrow we have some news that might matter in the initial jobless claims and the GDP growth rate for the US. That matters for the interest rate, which again matters for Bitcoin. So I will keep you updated on that, but I cannot make any predictions on that right now. And I also don't think that's going to affect the markets. So in general, I would say it's most likely right now that we will test, that we will make some sort of a move down to that level at 66,500 and 66,000. I think in general, it's most likely that we will get a positive reaction from that, followed by some sort of a move up to the top right here at 69,500 and or 71,000. And from there, we'll see again. All right, because whether we can actually break above 71,500 partially and greatly depends on the reaction to the support level. I think that reaction will be good, but it also depends on how we react to the resistance level right here. All right. So in general, I expect this consolidation to hold for now. A little bit of bearish momentum maybe at the start, but I do think the support levels we have will hold. So in general, just a consolidation. And once I actually see some sort of movement that could turn into a breakout, I'll let you know. But that's not the situation right now. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.